So now we are working with the gallery tag, so float, left, position, relative. We're going to have height of 347 pixels, which is the same as the image, and width is also the same as the image, which was 625 pixels. Okay, overflow hidden, and background we're going to set to, I don't know, what kind of color can we choose? Let's choose E9. Okay, then we have gallery photos tag, also gallery navigation and class gallery caption. All these elements will have the same positioning, which is position absolute. Next thing will be gallery photos on its own. And this one we have position top set to 0 and left set to 0 as well. Okay, after gallery photos we have gallery navigation. In gallery navigation we have Z index of 9999. We want this navigation obviously to be on top of all images, and position from the top we want to be 317 pixels. Right, we want it to be 20 pixels, and text align, let's make it right. Okay, then we have gallery navigation A tag, and A tag will display, not direction, display will have inline block, height will be 13 pixels, and width will also be 13 pixels. Now margin left, we want the distance between the buttons to be 4 pixels. Background image, URL, and then we go to images, structure, and we have gallery-buttons.png, which is this image which we've created in the previous video. If I'm going to close this file browser, we have a little bit more space now. Then we have background repeat, which will be no repeat, and background position, which will be 0, 0. And then cursor, we want to make pointer. Okay, now that we have our A tags defined, we also need the hover and active state for our A tag. So if we copy this name here and type in all this again, so it's going to be A hover, and we have background position. This time will be -13 pixels from a left and 0 from a top. And if I copy all this, then it's going to be A dot active and comma, and then and the same thing, A dot active hover, which will have background positioning of -26 and a top 0. Okay, next thing is gallery caption, which is Z index will be 1, top will be 347 pixels, and left will be 0. Okay, then we have width of 625 pixels, padding will be 15 pixels from the top and bottom, and 0 from the left and right. Now background, URL, and we go to images, structure, and transparent.png, and we want it to be repeat, and 0, 0 for positioning. Okay, so that's our caption. Then we go for gallery hyphen caption hyphen content h2 tag, which we want to be font size. We want to make it 16 pixels. Padding bottom, if we make just 7 pixels, if we do just 7 pixels, and then font family, we're going to create to use Caveat Dreams bold italic. So if I scroll up to the top, Dreams bold italic, I copy the name, paste it here, then comma, sans serif for everyone that cannot support this font for any reason. Text transform will be uppercase. Okay, then we have gallery caption content, and we do width of 425, so it doesn't overlap the buttons on the right, and then padding 0, 0, 14 pixels from the bottom and 25 pixels from the left. Okay, and the last thing, gallery caption hyphen content, and star at the end to indicate that I want to apply to this property to all of the elements within this specific selector, and I want the color for all these to be FFF, which is white. Okay, our style sheet is now ready. So if we preview our page in the browser, hit refresh, you can see that our image now appears in the center, which is all nice. We cannot see any caption, but that's fine. So let's move to the next video and start working with our cycle plugin.